because we stopped by the balloons. You know what had to happen, right?
There's a voice that keeps on calling me down the road. It's where I'll always be. Every stop I make a new friend. Can't stay for long, just turn around and I'm gone again.
Hey guys, future us on the ferry on the way out to the car. We looked over at the balloon, and what happened? It's a little baby balloon in there. Look at that, how did that even happen?
Down this road that never seems to end.
We're gonna see if they'll replace it, because it popped on the inside.
So
And he's like, what about that one over there? That one's even bigger.
We didn't buy it here, we bought it at Magic Kingdom, so I'm gonna see what they say.
Sorry, I'm getting hit in the face with a balloon.
Sorry.
I wanna settle down. Until tomorrow, the whole world is my home.
We brought this balloon to exchange it, but I'm not seeing any balloon people anywhere. Not for sure, because it's the 4th of July. But I guess maybe we're just here a little bit too early? I don't know. Alright, we gotta make one stop into Sephora. Usually I see the balloon people down by Ranjan down there. We came over to the guest relations area to ask them when the balloon people come out. The saga of the balloon continues. The vendors don't start until around 1 o'clock, right at Jackson's nap time.
And they'll be over by the Lime Garage entrance, so if you're looking for a balloon and you're here at Disney Springs, that's where you're gonna wanna look.
Maybe tomorrow I wanna settle down. Until tomorrow I'll just keep moving on. There's a world that's waiting to unfold.
We did bring Jackson's Mickey balloon with us. Right now there are not any balloon vendors out and about, but I have a feeling that at some point today they will be out.
I hope so. I feel like we're just gonna be stuck with this balloon forever.
I feel like you're right. Mickey and Minnie's on the left. Oh, there's a balloon. Oh dear.
And I think I'm also gonna try to exchange this balloon.
I'll just keep moving on. So if you wanna join me for a while, just grab your hat, come travel light, that's Bojo style. Maybe tomorrow.
So I went to go exchange the balloon, and guess what doesn't happen in the rain?
The balloons.
The balloon vendors do not come out in the rain.
Oh.
Even if it looks like it's going to rain, they go backstage.
Yeah.
So I never got the balloon.
So we're still with the balloon.
Yeah.
Dang.